perfect day to be out on the Hawkesbury River today. I'm out with the Marine Academy guys who are behind me with Jordan up the back. He's being tutored by Corey today, and Sheena, who's being tutored by Brody. The reason we're here is both of these guys are doing the Know Your PWC course. And it's a really interesting day because both of these guys are absolute novices. Other than this point here where they're both sitting on their skis in the water, neither of them have actually sat on a wave runner previously. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you what a Know Your PWC course entails when you come out on the water for the day with a guide from Yamaha Marine Academy.
Amazing day out on the wave runners today, my first time ever, and what can I say, the experience was amazing. It was so easy. The boys let me know what I needed to do. My confidence now for a wave runner, I'm now more confident to go by myself, which I think is an important skill that you need to have before you come out on a wave runner. I can highly recommend the Yamaha Marine Academy.
I thank the guys from Yamaha Marine Academy taking us out on the water today with Dad's new wave runner. They've showed us the ins and outs of operating one, coming from zero experience on jet skis to now having the confidence to get in the water by ourselves and have some fun on the cruiser.